The Western Region Homeland Security Advisory Council's Preparedness in a Pandemic Planning Considerations Workshop Kit is adapted from operational guidance developed by both the federal and Massachusetts emergency management agencies. The kit is designed to aid planners and emergency managers in assessing existing all-hazard plans in light of the additional stressors and limits at play due to COVID-19. The Preparedness in a Pandemic Kit contains a planning considerations checklist, a PowerPoint slide deck, and a facilitator's guide. The Planning Considerations Checklist addresses the preparedness, response, and recovery phases of an additional emergency during the pandemic. It includes questions and considerations most likely to be of concern to Western Massachusetts municipalities and responders. It can serve as a standalone tool for an individual or a planning team to use when reviewing current all-hazard plans. For those who would benefit from a group approach to considering current all-hazard readiness, the kit includes tools to facilitate conversations, either in person or virtually, via a PowerPoint slide deck and a facilitator's guide. Combined, these two tools allow a group to move through the checklist questions in a structured format that guides internal conversations and decisions around conducting preparedness, response, and recovery operations tailored to your organization's unique needs and missions. The materials are designed for a 2 to 4 hour discussion-based workshop. You may decide that dividing content into multiple workshop sessions is a better approach for your organization. The workshop's duration and structure should be determined by your organization's internal needs. A variety of suggested options for flexible delivery are found in the facilitator's guide. Recommended participants for this workshop include emergency managers, public safety and public health officials, financial officers, private sector partners, and all leadership, staff, and disciplines involved in your emergency preparedness planning and response activities. The Facilitator Guide includes directions for the facilitator and additional questions or topics for consideration, highlighted in blue italics, that do not appear on the sample conduct slides. This is meant to serve as additional guidance for the facilitator to help navigate the discussion with participants. Update the content that is highlighted in red for individual deliveries of this workshop. The PowerPoint slide deck is aligned with the current questions and considerations from the planning checklist. It currently also contains slides with a deep blue background that contain instructions and background information. These slides should be deleted from your final presentation slide deck. To the extent that your team is considering or addressing sheltering concerns, we highly recommend participants review the Massachusetts Guidance for Mass Care Operations in a Pandemic Environment, issued by MEMA in July of 2020. Individuals needing assistance with formatting slides or other information are welcome to contact Rain Brown, Homeland Security Program Manager.